When drawing the rose, make sure to start from the middle of the rose and work your way out. The middle of the rose is going to be smaller, and as you draw the rose, it's going to be bigger. So the petals in the middle are going to be small, and the petals in the outside are going to be big. It's okay if your rose doesn't look like mine, because each rose is different. And the center of the rose is going to be really big, so make sure to make it as big as you can. Now I'm going to draw the top of the rose, and I'm going to draw the sides of the rose along with the bottom. And now lastly, I'm going to draw the stem and the leaves. Just like the sketch, I'm going to work from the middle and then work my way out. So for the middle parts, I'm going to use red, pink, orange, yellow, and purple. And when coloring, try to blend all the colors together. And now for the top, I'm going to use the same colors that I used for the middle. And in some places, there's going to be white spots. So instead of leaving them just white, use a lighter version of the color you're going to use and add it to the white places. This helps make the drawing look more finished and more pretty. Now it's time for the center. The center is a really big space, so make sure to take your time and try your best. The colors I'm using for the center are the same exact colors I'm used for the middle and for the top. Now I'm going to do the top half of the sides. This is really important because this step shows that the rose is open and that there's many petals. Now I'm going to do the bottom half of the sides. I'm going to add a little more pink and a little more purple so it'll look more bright. I'm also going to be adding a checker design. This will show that the light is reflecting there. Now it's the last step. The last step is the stem and the leaves. For the stem and leaves, I'm going to use dark green, light green, yellow, and blue. I'm going to be using yellow and some spots to make the stem and the leaves more bright. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.